Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage ANC on your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro. You have to start by opening the application, and now we should enable ANC, so I'm just put the headphones to my ears and we will enable it. Here we go. Now you can or click here on noise cancelling or press and hold on your right or left earbud. And right here we have 3 modes, and of course we have adaptive noise cancellation. So you can use it also. It's okay. And right here we have, by default, we have deep, but if you don't want so powerful noise cancelling, you can choose a balanced or even light. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!